Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning podcast for beginners. My name is Joan, and I'm happy you're here. Today, we will learn about daily routines, what we do every day, and useful phrases and expressions you can use in real English-speaking situations. This episode is perfect for A2 English learners, people who already know a little English but want to speak with more confidence. We will go slowly, step by step. You can listen, repeat, and learn with me. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Talking about your daily routine. Let's start with some easy daily routine sentences. Listen carefully. After I speak, you can repeat. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Excellent. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. Excellent. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Excellent. I wash my face. I wash my face. Excellent. I take a shower. I take a shower. Excellent. I get dressed. I get dressed. Excellent. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Excellent. I go to work. I go to work. Excellent. I study English. I study English. Excellent. I come home. I come home. Excellent. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. Excellent. I watch TV. I watch TV. Excellent. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Excellent. Now let's practice talking about yourself. Example: I wake up at 6 o'clock. What time do you wake up? You can say, I wake up at 5 o'clock. Try to repeat. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. I go to work at 9. When you speak about your routine, use simple present tense. That means we use the base form of the verb, like I eat, I go, I wake up. Let's repeat again slowly. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I go to bed. Good job! Part 2. Useful phrases for daily life. Now, let's learn some useful phrases you can use every day in conversations. When you meet someone in the morning, you can say, "Good morning." How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And you? When you are at work or school. How's your day going? It's going well, thank you. I'm a little tired today. I'm busy, but it's okay. When you want to ask for help. Can you help me, please? Can you say that again, please? Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you speak slowly, please? When you meet a friend. Hey, how's everything? Long time no see. It's nice to see you. Let's have coffee sometime. When you want to be polite. Excuse me. Please. Thank you very much. You're welcome. These are small phrases, but they are very important for natural English. Let's repeat together. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Thank you very much. You're welcome. Great! You're doing amazing. Part 3. Practice conversation. Now, let's practice a simple conversation about daily routines. I'll read both parts slowly. Listen first, then repeat. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Tom. Excellent. Good morning, Anna. How are you? Good morning, Anna. How are you? Excellent. I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Excellent. I'm good, but a little tired. I woke up early today. I'm good, but a little tired. I woke up early today. Excellent. Oh, really? What time did you wake up? Oh, really? What time did you wake up? At 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock. That's early. I wake up at 7. That's early. I wake up at 7. What do you do after you wake up? What do you do after you wake up? Excellent. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast. Excellent. Nice. What do you eat for breakfast? Nice. What do you eat for breakfast? Usually, I eat eggs and bread. What about you? Usually, I eat eggs and bread. What about you? I drink coffee and eat a banana. I drink coffee and eat a banana. Now, let's repeat parts of the dialogue together slowly. Good morning, Tom. I'm good, but a little tired. What time did you wake up? I wake up at 7. I eat eggs and bread. Perfect. You can use this conversation when you meet friends or talk about your morning. Part 4. Expressions for daily situations. Let's learn more expressions you can use every day. When you are at home, I'm cooking dinner. I'm cleaning my room. I'm watching TV. I'm doing my homework. I'm relaxing. When you are outside, I'm going to the market. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm walking to school. I'm meeting my friend. When you are at work or school, I'm writing an email. I'm reading a book. I'm studying English. I'm talking to my teacher. Let's repeat some of them together. I'm cooking dinner. I'm cooking dinner. I'm studying English. I'm studying English. I'm meeting my friend. I'm meeting my friend. You can see that these sentences use the form I'm plus verb plus ing. That means it's happening now, in this moment. Example: I'm listening to this podcast. I'm learning English. Try to say it. I'm learning English right now. Excellent. Part 5. Review and speaking practice. Let's review what we learned today. We learned about daily routine verbs: wake up, eat, go, work, sleep. Phrases for greetings: good morning, how are you? Polite expressions: please, thank you, excuse me. Conversations: talking about your morning. Present continuous: I'm studying, I'm cooking. Now let's do some quick speaking practice together. I'll ask questions. You can answer. Pause after each question and speak out loud. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you do after work or school? What time do you go to bed? Good job! You are improving your English every day. Remember, practice a little every day. Even 10 minutes helps. Ending. That's all for today's episode. You learned how to talk about your daily routine, how to use useful phrases, and how to speak in simple English sentences. You can listen again tomorrow and practice speaking with me. Each time you listen, your English will sound more natural. Thank you for learning with me today. I'm proud of you. Don't forget to speak English slowly and confidently. You don't need to be perfect. Just keep practicing. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye for now.